What is up, guys? Bonjour, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this illustrious village of the Burgundy wine region of France. Yes, we are in Bourgogne. This is the village that hosts the famous Hill of Corton, which is a Grand Cru, one of the 33 Grand Cru vineyard sites of Burgundy, and one of the most prestigious ones. This is a village in the Côte d'Or area of the Bourgogne wine region of France. How do you go about pronouncing this with the typical French pronunciation? Aloxe Corton. Yes, it is an X, but in Burgundy they pronounce it like it was an S or a double S. Aloxe. Do not say Aloxe, but rather Alosse. Aloxe Corton. It'd be fine in English or American to say Aloxe Corton. Aloxe Corton. As long as you do not pronounce the X like an X, so not Aloxe Corton, but rather Aloxe Corton. Aloxe Corton. If you want to learn more about Burgundy wines, if you like to learn more about wine in general, you found the right channel. Here are videos that you may want to watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir.